Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I have this package here, and this is from Boom by Cindy Joseph. I've seen the commercials all over the place. I don't know if you guys have. I have not opened this. This came the other day, the 25th. Of course, right when I got sick, and I was like, oh. They reached out to me and asked me if I was interested in, I cannot even get this with this. I need my scissors. Was interested, and I was like, well, you know, everything that I've ever seen has always intrigued me as to what it is, how do you use it, like all that good stuff. So I said, okay, send it over, and let's see what it's all about. I think this is more like the no makeup look, you know, like to keep. That's my understanding. I could be wrong. Now that I have that open. But I do think I have their website up. Get everything. It's in this bag pretty tight. Okay, so let's see what all this stuff is. Oh, there's lots of goodies in here. Oh, lots and lots of goodies. Oh, I'm excited. That's why this is. Okay. Oh. Trying to get everything out of this little bag. I mean, they have it packaged in there well. So, like I said, Boom by Cindy Joseph. We'll put that back here. So, in here came a card. And I'll show you the first product. And this is Boom Nectar Rich Moisturizing Face and Eye Serum. Right here. And this is a powerful organic face and eye serum. You can use it morning and evening. There's lots of good things in here. Organic jojoba oil, a lot of organic. So I'll skip the organic word. Witch hazel, which is great for your skin, believe it or not. Rosehip oil, hemp seed oil, chaga, right? Chaga mushroom powder, camu, honey, lemon, orange essential oils, lang essential oil, and more right here. So that says shake. Yeah. So let's see what this is about. Oh, is it sealed? Is there a seal? No, it locks. Okay. So it is, you know, like more of a liquidy product. Let me see, as a moisture. I mean, I know there's honey in it, and I'm not a big person to use honey, but it doesn't smell of honey. It's not greasy, believe it or not. It might look greasy, but it's not greasy on my hand. I guess it's going to take a little bit to absorb on that. It's a powerful organic face and eye serum. Nice. I mean, it's on. It's not tacky. It's going to take a little bit to absorb, I do think. I want to see if I can find prices. I'm on the website, so let me see if I can find prices for stuff. At least I can tell you what things cost. Now, I have not tried using any of this because I haven't, I just opened it. Like I said, it's just not something that I even wanted to get into while I was sick. This is $86. Expensive. Happy to have it. You can use it every day. It's an advanced moisturizer. Okay. So then the next thing that I see here is, and this is sealed, Boomsilk. One body, one moisturizer. So this is probably a body moisturizer. Oh, it's not. It's for your face. Smooth desired amount on your face or body to release the nourishing ingredients into your skin. All right, well, now I got to open it. Let's break the seal. Let's see one on that side now. I mean, you know, depending on the texture, I would use it on my face or not. Oh, it's sealed. Let's unseal it. Oh, I don't really like to do that. I want to leave it sealed. I can't get it. Come on. Why can I not get this off? Nope, I can't get it off. All right, I'm going to leave that sealed. I mean, it's a body or a face moisturizer. So Boomsilk is the other product they sent me. So let me see if I can find that. Oh, I did see that. Okay, let's find Boomsilk again. I mean, they have all different things on their website. I didn't realize they had, let me see, Boomsilk. It's expensive stuff, $64. This is 4 ounces. Let's go there. 4 ounces is $44. This is, I don't know if you can see my phone, so it's like a yellowy cream. I'll show you the texture there. It's just, you know, I don't know how thick it is. That is really just going to depend on whether I, you know, like it or not. It comes in 3 different sizes, 2 ounce, 4 ounce, or 8 ounce. Let's see, for all skin types, softens and hydrates, oily, dry, and combination skin. Can you use it with foundation? Absolutely. Just allow it to absorb before you apply your foundation. Okay, not bad. And then the last thing that I got is the BoomStick Trio. The Boom Trio that you see pretty much everywhere. Cute little bag. I like it. I like it. This is what I thought I was just getting. I didn't think I was getting the other products, which is exciting to have the other products. But this is adorable. Excuse me, I'm so sorry, the cough is horrendous. So BoomStick Trio. 3 easy-to-use beauty sticks designed for every woman, every skin tone. Start with BoomStick Glow to moisturize your face. Let's see, where's BoomStick Glow? I have no idea. Oosh. I cannot even, and these are all sealed, so I have to unseal them. Do they have it? Yes, I see it. I'm going to try to unseal these so I can at least share with you what this stuff looks like. So the Trio, I'll give you the price of the Trio. Oh, God, these are hard to open. Oh, my goodness. Sometimes I wonder what companies are sealing, because this is not easy to open. Tried it without hurting myself. Okay. I think this is the one that I want. Okay. Let's throw that away. So this, I do believe by the label, might be the, because it doesn't say. Yeah. I would assume this is the Glow right here. And this is pretty much dry. It looks like it's tacky, but it's not. So let's try this and just see what that feels like. Huh. It feels like a balm going on. Let me see. No scent. I don't know what kind of glow you would get out of that. I'm glad not like a ton of glow. Look, that's on my hand. I don't see any like real glow. BoomStick Trio, $79. That's a lot of money, but it says these 3 boomsticks replace everything in your makeup bag. I don't know if I can do that. So that was the Glow to moisturize your face with all natural ingredients. Then apply BoomStick Color to your cheeks, which is right here, BoomStick Color. So let's open this up. And oh, I see. I think I made it harder for myself the other way. Okay, and I would assume this is, yep, BoomStick Color. And I'll have to use these and then share with you. Oh, why can't I get these? Okay. Ooh. That one was up a little bit. So we'll just put a little bit, we'll go on my hand. That's actually a pretty color for a blush. Use that for a lip also. Yeah. Blends out pretty for a blush. I guess you could do it as a lip too. Not bad. I mean, at all. And then, what's the last one that's here? This is Glimmer. So then, let me see. Boomstick color to your cheeks, forehead, neck, and décolleté to give yourself a look of excitement. I don't know if I could do all that either. Finally, add a little glamour with Boomstick Glimmer. And basically, organic olive oil, organic beeswax, organic honey, and more in these. I mean, not full of bad ingredients. And that's probably, oh, that one opens so much easier than the others. Let's see this one. Okay. And this one looks like this. So I would definitely say that's probably a shimmer. Let's, I want to, we'll come here. That would be a nice, like, highlighter. Let me see if I can put it on my hand, if you guys can see it. Can you see that? Shimmer. That's pretty. It's like a pinky. I like. Now see that I would use. Cute. I mean, I'll have to give them a try. I mean, I do have just like a base powder on today. I don't have anything crazy on. I like it. Can I use it just on its own? I don't know if I'm that brave. I'm going to be honest with you. But I'm happy to try. So these are the four products. So these are the first three. This is the Nectar, the Nectar, the BoomStick Trio, and then the Boomsilk right here. And let's see, Boom by Cindy Joseph. Redefining beauty standards and empowering women to embrace their authentic selves at every age. Our purpose is to provide simple and gentle beauty products that celebrate and enhance a woman's natural beauty and radiant glow. We hope you enjoy our hand-curated selection of Boom bestsellers. Thank you. I mean, I'm excited to try all of them. So we'll give them a try. It's already the end of the month, so these won't be included in Faves and Fails for October. Unfortunately, I'll never get a chance to use this stuff. But trust me, I will do a standalone on this one just because I think it's necessary, if I'm being honest, just because, you know, how else am I going to know if they're any good? They are pricey, without a doubt, but I do like the highlight. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see that on the palm of my hand. It's all here. And the blush, this little blush color, that could like wake you up a little bit. You know, I would use it for a lipstick. I mean, it's a pretty shade. I mean, I would use a lip brush, maybe line my lips and put it on. The actual glow thing, I'm not seeing, you know, if it's just a moisturizer type thing, that's fine. But I'm not seeing, but the highlighter, I like the highlighter a lot. Like, I think that would give you a pretty, without dropping like a ton of color on your face, I think that would give you, like, rather than maybe put the blush product everywhere, I would try the other product and put it in different places and blend it. Everything I've ever seen on this, they're blending it with their hands. I might use a sponge just rather, because I'm not big applying anything on my face with my hands. Your hands are very dirty. And I don't, like, I know, like, before I do makeup, yeah, my hands are washed. I still don't want them on my face. Oils and bacteria, and then I'm putting it on my face. That's why I like using a brush or a sponge. So I probably would maybe put it on my sponge or on a brush and then try to apply it to my face. We'll have to give it a chance and see what I think. But thank you so much to Boom by Cindy Joseph for sending this over to me. I'm excited to try it. And probably in the next couple weeks, I'll do another video, bring these all back, and I'll see what I think. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.